Welcome to Kids Vocabulary. Learn vocabulary with fun. Welcome back to the channel. Day 2 of English for Parents. Welcome to day 2 of our 7-day journey into learning English for parents. Today, we kick off with the basics, simple sentences you can easily use with your kids. It's going to be fun and super easy, so let's dive right in. Throw. Throw the ball.
Throw the ball.
Catch. Catch it.
Catch it.
Kick. Kick the ball.
Kick the ball.
Laugh. Laugh out loud.
Laugh out loud.
Smile. Smile for the camera.
Smile for the camera.
Hug. Hug your grandma.
Hug your grandma.
Love. Love you.
Love you.
Cry. Don't cry.
Don't cry.
Think. Think before you act.
Think before you act.
Learn. Learn something new.
Learn something new.
Teach. Teach me this.
Teach me this.
Ask. Ask a question.
Ask a question.
Answer. Answer politely.
Answer politely.
Tell. Tell the truth.
Tell the truth.
Show. Show me how.
Show me how.
Give. Give me a hand.
Give me a hand.
Take. Take this, please.
Take this, please.
Open. Open the door.
Open the door.
Close. Close the window.
Close the window.
Turn. Turn around.
Turn around.
Move. Move over.
Move over.
Hold. Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
Carry. Carry this bag.
Carry this bag.
Pull. Pull the rope.
Pull the rope.
Push. Push the button.
Push the button.
Find. Find your shoes.
Find your shoes.
Lose. Don't lose it.
Don't lose it.
Fix. Fix the toy.
Fix the toy.
Break. Don't break it.
Don't break it.
Start. Start your homework.
Start your homework.
Clean. Clean your face.
Clean your face.
Dirty. Don't get dirty.
Don't get dirty.
Quiet. Be quiet.
Be quiet.
Hard. It's hard work.
It's hard work.
Soft. Speak softly.
Speak softly.
Slow. Walk slow.
Walk slow.
Hot. It's hot outside.
It's hot outside.
Cold. It's cold here.
It's cold here.
Big. The elephant is big.
The elephant is big.
Small. The mouse is small.
The mouse is small.
Fast. Run fast.
Run fast.
End. End it now.
End it now.
Loud. Don't be loud.
Don't be loud.
Finish. Finish your meal.
Finish your meal.
Tall. The giraffe is tall.
The giraffe is tall.
Sad. He's sad.
He's sad.
Excited. I'm excited.
I'm excited.
Bored. I'm busy.
I'm busy.
New. It's a new toy.
It's a new toy.
Sit.
Sit.
Sit on the chair.
Sit on the chair.
Stand.
Stand.
Stand up straight.
Stand up straight.
Come.
Come.
Come here, please.
Come here, please.
Go.
Go.
Go to your room.
Go to your room.
Stop.
Stop.
Stop running.
Stop running.
Wait.
Wait.
Wait a moment.
Wait a moment.
Listen.
Listen.
Listen carefully.
Listen carefully.
Look.
Look.
Look at this.
Look at this.
Eat.
Eat.
Eat your vegetables.
Eat your vegetables.
Drink.
Drink.
Drink your water.
Drink your water.
Play.
Play.
Play outside.
Play outside.
Share.
Share.
Share your toys.
Share your toys.
Help.
Help.
Help me, please.
Help me, please.
Clean.
Clean.
Clean your room.
Clean your room.
Sleep.
Sleep.
Sleep well.
Sleep well.
Wake.
Wake.
Wake up early.
Wake up early.
Dress.
Dress.
Dress Thank quickly. You so much for joining us today for Class 2 of our Parent English class on Kids Vocabulary. We hope you found it helpful and fun. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Kids Vocabulary, for more exciting and educational content. Also, we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below if you have any suggestions for improvements or if there's a particular topic you'd like us to cover in our next lesson. And before you go, make sure to check out Class 1 by clicking the link here. It's full of great tips and information that you won't want to miss. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next class.